If you expect lower prices for XRP and for crypto right now, you need to watch this video because something is right now going on, guys, here on the monthly time frame that everybody in XRP is right now missing out on. And in this video, I want to talk about this. I want to show you what I expect and what is most likely about to happen right now here for XRP while everyone is bearish and is calling for lower prices and is calling XRP and S-Coin and whatnot. So, sorry guys. Let's talk about this. If you're still here, if you appreciate these videos, hit the like button, of course. I appreciate you guys. No matter whether the price is bullish, bearish, I am always here with these videos. And let me now talk about this signal because everyone is missing this. Everyone is getting trapped in the bearishness, which I can understand because if you look at today's price, yeah, it's absolutely horrible. Let's take a look. So this is the daily candle from today. And yeah, we went down by 6%, currently down 4.3% there from the point of recording. And the whole market is in the red. But the question is this the time to be bearish right now? Well, I think the answer is right here on the monthly time frame for XRP. What I've done, I've enabled the EMA ribbons, as you can clearly see. It's a free indicator. You can also use it in TradingView. By the way, if you want to learn everything that I'm doing, TA, if you want to get better in spotting buying opportunities, then definitely check out my course. You can find it in my Patreon. I made a TA course where I teach you everything, literally everything you can imagine about technical analysis. So if you really want to improve, definitely check it out, guys. The link is down below in today's video description. But let me now continue here with the video. So I've enabled the EMA ribbons, as you can see, and let's do a little history lesson. This was 2020 March because it only goes back to here. And you can see that in March 2020, price went to the lower boundary here, slightly below the EMA ribbons, but you could say the lower boundary range here of the monthly EMA ribbons. Now, that was the exact low of the bear market. Yes, we had a wick here at that event in 2020, which I'm not going to mention here on YouTube, but overall that was the exact low of the bear market and price reversed. And we're not talking about small numbers over here, guys. These are big moves. If you measure from here to this peak, this is 360%. And then, guys, we had another moment here. This was December 2020, another retest, once again the lower boundary range here of the EMA ribbons on the monthly. And look at this huge bull market at 10x for XRP, absolutely massive. So fast forward 2022, once again another retest here of the lower boundary range of the EMA ribbons that marked the exact low of the bear market, and boom, huge run for XRP. Also here another retest 2023, low of the bear market, huge run for XRP. And if you're doubting about these runs, let's actually go from the low of the bear market to this point. You can see, and if we go to this point over here, absolutely massive. There was also one here in 2024, I believe. Yes, another test of the lower boundary. So basically, guys, to give you my conclusion, you can basically see that in every single bear market, the price of XRP tend to retrace to the lower boundary range here of the EMA ribbons on the monthly time frame. And that shows you how powerful this indicator is. It is something to take serious because right now, guys, you can see that price is extremely close once again to the lower boundary range here of the EMA ribbons for the first time in 2026. And if you're wondering, where is that? At what price are these lower boundaries? Well, roughly 93 cents, maybe 90 cents, you could say, for XRP. We're currently at 106. So I think there's a case to be made here that, yeah, if we go lower from here, because if we go to the daily, so if this bearish pressure continues here, then yeah, maybe we could retest that 90-cent range, 95 cents, maybe a quick wick or so. But you can see that either the low of the bear market could already be in or very close to us right now. And that is very interesting because everyone in crypto is right now bearish and is calling for lower prices. People are calling XRP an S-Coin and whatnot. But guys, I want you to focus on the fundamentals. I want you to focus on the price. I want you to focus on the facts. And what you can see here, if we focus on the TA, on the price, is that we have been going down since July 2025, so for almost a year now. And do you really want to get so bearish right now after almost a year of downside? Basically, everyone left. There is no interest right now. Can we go down another 10%, another 20%? Sure. But this is the moment where you want to hold strong, where you want to have diamond hands, because either the low is in or very close right now. If you look at many indicators, if you look at the interest of retail, it is crazy, guys. I've never seen this in my life in crypto. But look at this. This is the weekly time frame for XRP. We had this upward trend line. Yes, you can play around with it, maybe like this or this. It doesn't really matter. XRP lost the trend line here, and the trend line comes in at roughly 115. So to have confirmation, if we break back above 115, which is this trend line, then yes, we have confirmation that most likely the low of the bear market could be in for XRP. But it's not just this, guys. I also need to show you XRP valued in gold, and I also want to show you the total cryptocurrency market cap excluding Bitcoin, because I'm seeing some very interesting signs right now. But first off, if you're wondering which platforms that I'm using Phoenix, Weeks, the lowest fees, sometimes even no fees, with my links down below in today's video description. Definitely check it out, because this can save you a lot over time. Why would you pay so much in fees on these platforms while you can have the lowest fees, sometimes even no fees, with my links down below here, guys? Very safe platforms to use. Check it out. I'm using them all the time myself. And once again, if you want to see all my positions, check out my Patreon. That link is also down below. And I also have a free Telegram where I keep you updated as best as I can. Now let me show you XRP valued in gold here on the weekly time frame. What is key to understand for you is that whenever XRP is very cheap, very undervalued, valued in gold, you basically want to be in crypto, you want to be in XRP, because that typically also translates to the US dollar value. Now back in 2020, XRP was extremely cheap versus gold, and look at this, that was the start of a massive bull run. Also here 2021, also here 2024. Right now, guys, we are once again exactly on top of that trend line. We are very cheap, very undervalued versus gold right now. This is where you want to be in the market. Over here, when we are overvalued, valued in gold, you want to be out of the market. But yeah, let me show you the last chart here, and that is the crypto total market cap excluding Bitcoin. And what you can see right now is this trend line, which goes back to, you could say, 2024. So in 2024, this range here, the 845 billion range, provided massive resistance for the total market cap. It provided support here in 2024, massive run for altcoins. Also here in 2025, huge run for altcoins. And right now we are exactly on top of that range again, around that 845 billion range. So this is, in my personal opinion, the moment of opportunity. Typically, everyone gets bearish right here and bullish over there, but you want to do it the opposite, of course. That was it for this video, guys. Don't forget to hit the like button, of course. For now, hold strong. I think either the low is in or very close. Can we go down another 10%? Yes, sure. But this is the time when you want to be in the market. I want to thank you for watching, for the support. See you very soon with another XRP update. Bye-bye.